Hello guys, welcome back to Sourcify YouTube channel and I'm Gaurav with you. So let's continue our web development series. So in our previous videos we have made, or you can say we have completed till this part, that how we can fix this navigation bar and how we can fix like overlapping of this navigation bar and this blog section. Okay, so if you have not watched our previous videos, you can definitely go to our channel, and there in playlist section there you will find a web development playlist. From there you can complete our previous videos. Thank you. So next, let's start our today's topic. So this is a special video. Like here we will see how we can set a background image. Okay, and the background image will be fixed. Definitely. This is not a normal video. Okay, and this is not a normal series like other series with 129 videos, and there is like little small things to know. This is not a type of course like this. Okay, here you will learn only the important things and in easy way, using which you are going to work in future. Okay, so yeah, definitely if you are following this series, uh, you are at very good place. Okay, without anything, let's start our today's topic. Okay, so if we want to set our background image, so at first I want to show you some code, like how we can set our background image. Here you can see this is the HTML code. Okay, this is a type of HTML code where there is a section, and inside this I think here is a spelling mistake. Okay, small spelling mistake. Okay, so now here you can see this is the HTML code and this is the corresponding CSS code for setting a background image, which is also fixed and non-repeated. Okay, so how we can set it? And here this is the first thing, okay, in CSS, and this is the second thing. But we'll not learn about the second thing here. We'll only learn for about the first thing for now. Okay, and later we will be discussing about this topic. Okay, okay, so here is a section, and inside this section, okay, here is some divs and this type of things. Okay, let's say this is the home section in our website, or where the blogs are, and how we can set the property so that the background will be converted to a background picture. Okay, here you can see we have to set a class called background set, or whatever the class name is, but let's say in this case the class name is background set. Okay, now we have to access this class in CSS file, and inside it we have to set some properties. At first what we have to do, we have to set the background and then colon, okay, and then URL of the image. Okay, if you are taking a URL of an image directly from online, then you can directly put here, or you have to put the source of that image in your folder structure. Definitely we will code it, but at first this is important to know about what we are going to use for that. Okay, after that we have to set a background repeat to no repeat. Like there you will see, when I will be doing there, you will see that there will be some background repeats. Okay, so we have to avoid this. How to avoid this? So for that we have to set a property called background repeat. Okay, and one second guys. Okay, so I was talking about the background repeat. Now, background size means how should be the like it should cover. Okay, the image should cover the background. Next is background attachment. So it should be fixed, like whenever we are scrolling up or downward, then the image should be fixed. Okay, this should be a fixed background. And then margin left, margin light, and margin bottom should be 0. okay, to cover it through the whole web page or whole display. Okay, so we'll be definitely code with this. So let's go to the code editor. Okay, let me open our website. Okay, go live. Here you can see this is our website, and now we want that in this white portion there should be a background image. Okay, for that at first you have to download a background image. Let's say background image for like for website. Okay, let's say let's explore. I think what we can choose. This is looking cool, na? Let's choose it. Okay, so let me download this. So you have to download this at first. Right click and save image as, and then go to your that asset folder of where you are working. Okay, like this is my asset folder. Sorry, this is not the asset folder. Like assets of blog one. Sorry. Okay, I think there is a problem. Let me see. Let me go through the desktop. Okay, now here our blog website was there, like blog one, blog site. Okay, blog site, I think this was our folder, and inside this asset uh let me check. You can copy image from here also. Okay, this is the technique, and let me go to inside the asset directly. Okay, so sorry. Oh, it goes outside. Sorry, inside the. Okay, let me at first download it and I'll be back. Okay, guys, so there was a problem. Like I have put it a folder inside another one, or you can say our blog folder. So what I was telling about, that we can copy image from here and open the folder where you are making this website, like in this case blogging site. So here was assets, and inside this assets this was blog one. Okay, so here control V simply. uh, yeah, my laptop is making some bad things, so I have to download it manually. Okay, else you can try it. Okay, it's actually work. Save image as, then here inside this blogging site assets blog one. Okay, got it. Okay, now inside this, let's say background. Okay, bg, save. And the jpg is the format actually. Okay, this format can be another like jpeg, like jpg or jpeg or aviv. So you have to take care of that during coding. Okay, like here inside here. Okay, let's start our coding. Let me restart our website. Okay, fine. Now we have downloaded our image. Now we have to code it and attach it. So here in this case we want to attach this image in blog section. Okay, where the blogs are present, like in this white section. So for that what we can do, simply write, this is the blog section. So here you can write background set, or I have in short I've written bg set, and inside this css just write, like I'm writing it Okay, let's write it here. Dot bg set, and inside it you have to give a property called background, and inside it you have to write URL, and inside this URL take care of this semicolon and this first bracket and this, like this semicolon and this colon actually. Okay, so now here you can directly put the URL of the image, or you can use it from your assets folder. So for that, what we will do, write assets then slats, and we have to go inside this asset. So this was our file, like we have to go inside this blog1 folder also, and inside this blog1 folder there was bg.jpg. Okay, now here you can see, background is actually repeating. Okay, so we have to remove this background repeat. So for that, what we can do, just set a property called background repeat to no repeat. Okay, now here you can see it is removed. Now let's go to our PowerPoint presentation. This is background repeat. After that, background size. Okay, background size should be covered. Like here we are using a perfect size of image, but if you are using a small size of image, little bit smaller than this, okay, in this case this property is actually important. Okay, so like no repeat, like covered. Okay, background size should be covered. So let's set this property here, background size. Okay, here is the property, background size should be covered. Okay, nice. And now, okay, this is the bottom. Next, background attachment. Okay, so what is the work of this background attachment? Now here you can see this is covered actually. So this is the work of the cover property, and now we have to set the background attachment. Okay, background attachment, find it, fixed it. Okay, like whatever is in background attachment, okay, whatever is attached in background, it should be fixed. This is actually the meaning of that property. Okay, so this is just a simple English, that background, then background attachment property should be fixed. Okay, it should be fixed. Now you can see this is not moving. Okay, if I like here you can see the dots. Okay, like the waters are not moving actually. Okay, whenever we are scrolling, but if I remove this fixed property, background attachment property, now you can see this is actually scrolling with our normal scrolling. Okay, so let's set this property. Okay, now you can see this is just smooth. Okay, now here what are the other properties? Other properties are margin left, margin right, and margin bottom should be 0. Okay, so this is actually in case is used in case of a little bit smaller pictures. Okay, so definitely, but you have to give these properties to every whenever you are using actually or setting a background image. So margin left should be 0. Okay, margin right should be, sorry, margin right should be 0. Spelling mistake. Margin bottom should be 0. Let's see, margin left, margin right, and margin bottom. Okay, so let's go to the website. You can see there is no change actually, because it is not a small picture, or you are not using inside another div. If you use this section or put this section inside another div, then this property will be in work. Okay, so you always, whenever you are setting a background image for your website, then don't forget to set this property to your website. Okay, Now we can blur this image also, but I will show you in another video whenever it will be required. Okay, so for today's video this is all. Okay, if you have any query you can comment down, but we are doing all things slowly, but the important things, not like element wise which are not in use, we're learning those things also. Our series is not like that. Okay, so you can definitely follow our series complete and you will definitely learn a decent level of web development. Okay, basic level of web development or intermediate level of web development, because there is actually another technologies also like React and then backend also, which is using Node.js or Express.js, and also like you have to learn about databases like MongoDB, or there can be SQL and non-SQL database. Okay, MongoDB is a non-SQL, non-SQL database, and in case of like you are using PHP, so there is also, you can use this type of things you will learn okay later. But at first our target is to learn about JavaScript, HTML and CSS, because using these things you can definitely become a web designer. Okay, after that uh, using also web developer also. Okay, but basic level. But this is actually, you have to learn these things to become another level of developer. Okay, so okay, so that's all for today's video. So in previous video I have given you a homework like you have to fix this bar also. I hope there was no problem in fixing it. If you have any problem you can definitely comment it down. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till the end. What is the problem? Okay, just a problem was there. So yeah, so for today that's all. Thank you.